Control charts. Control charts are the most important quality control systems where upper control limit and lower control limit are referred and acceptable control level and warning limits will be given depending on the quality factors. Control charts, also known as Shewhart charts or process behavior charts, are a statistical process control tool used to determine if a manufacturing or a business process is in a state of control. It is more appropriate to say that the control charts are the graphical device for statistical process monitoring. The control chart is a graph used to study how a process changes over time. Data are plotted in time order. A control chart always has a central line for the average, an upper line for the upper control limit, and a lower line for the lower control limit. These lines are determined from historical data. UCL represents upper control limit on a control chart and LCL represents lower control limits. A control chart is a line graph that displays a continuous picture of what is happening in production process with respect to time. As such, it is an important tool for statistical process control or quality control. Suppose ring frame end breaks are there, so the average the zero level is 0 breaks, upper control limit is 20 breaks, lower control limit is 10 breaks. So 15 if it is the medium level. So upper control limit is 20 end breaks, lower control limit is 10 end breaks, and medium is 15, that is the zero line. And upper control, if every day the end breaks are taken and counted, and if they fall above 20, that means upper control limit is reached, then the ring frame has to be checked. A oscillation in a random way around the target value, a upper or lower trend, an increasing or decreasing trend. One point is between the warning limits and the control limits. The last point is outside a control limit. Control limits are calculated by estimating the standard deviation, multiplying that number by 3, adding 3 into sigma to the average for the upper control, and subtracting 3 into sigma from the average for the lower control limit. In statistical quality controls, the P chart is a type of control chart used to monitor the proportion of non-conforming units in a sample, where the sample proportion non-conforming is defined as the ratio of the number of non-conforming units to the sample size n. So in control charts there are three types of charts: P chart, C chart, and NP bar chart. There are two ways you can track the data. Use the P control chart or the NP control chart depending on what you are plotting and whether or not the subgroup size is constant over time. The P control chart plots the fraction defective P over time. The subgroup size does not have to be the same each time. Shewhart set three standard deviation limits as a rational and economic guide to minimum economic loss. 3 sigma limits set a range for the process parameter at 0.27% control limits. 3 sigma control limits are used to check data from a process and if it is within statistical control. When destructive testing is required, which type of control should be used? Explanation. When destructive testing is required or any other expensive testing procedure is needed, variable control charts are more suitable than the attributes control chart. A run chart is simplest of charts. A run chart can help you spot upward and downward trends, and it can show you a general picture of a process. A control chart also plots a single line of data over time. However, control charts include upper and lower control limit lines within a center line. Thank you.